Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my morning routine for refreshing and styling my wash and go using the Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel. You know what? That's a long name. So I'm going to show you really quickly in this video. It's pretty simple, but I hope that these tips help you guys. If you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comment section below, and let's get started. Okay, so at night I use, a satin scarf. I tie my scarf into a triangle and then I pull my hair on top of my head and then I just wrap the sides. This is helpful because even though I sleep on a satin pillowcase, it just minimizes any friction on the hair and helps me to maintain my curls for a longer period of time. All right, so in the morning, I just take it down. Not cute. So I use this spray. I have a larger bottle of it somewhere. I think it might be in my travel bag. This is an amazing product, and it is wonderful for your skin care routine. I use it in my skincare routine, but it's also really great for your hair as well. So I just take it and I mist my hair. The wonderful thing about this spray is that it has a really fine mist. So what it's going to do is it's going to infuse some moisture into your hair. Remember, a product will not give you moisture, only water will do that. Products will help you to retain moisture in your hair, but it's not going to add moisture to the hair. My hair is not soaking wet, it's just nicely misted. This will probably dry like literally within about 2 minutes total. It isn't very wet at all. If your hair is wet to the touch, then that means you're using too much product, okay? So you just want to modify that a little bit. And then I literally just go in with my fingers and I begin to style my hair. Doing the scarf method really helps my hair to just stretch over a shorter period of time, so the hair just gets bigger and bigger and more beautiful with each passing day. So day one of this wash and go, my hair is super defined. As time goes by, I do lose a little bit of definition. Part of that is because the curls are being stretched. So they aren't quite as fresh as day one, but I don't think they look very bad. Okay, so to manage frizz, or if I wanted to extend my wash and go a few extra days, I would go ahead and take my water bottle and I would literally spray the section where there was frizz. Like, I'll just do this for example. Just spray that area, or I would apply it to my fingers and then just kind of work it in, and then I would literally just reactivate the product that's already in my hair. Now if it's like this wash and go, if it's like day 5 or 6 or something like that, I would just go in my container and add a little bit more product to that section and just go in like so. I told you it was easy. That is it. So if you guys have any other questions about how I refresh my wash and goes using these particular products, don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section below. I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you guys in the next one.